How do you apply the LipSense Gloss after the colors? Well, today we're going to cover that with a little tutorial. You know what I'm saying? We'll get you looking good, girl. With the lips, with LipSense. I'm not actually going to be doing that. I partner with Dunya, which is a local business partner of mine, so she's going to do the video makeup tutorial part of it, which is awesome. All right, we're going to cover that in the next section.
Hello lovely ladies, this is Dunya Antunes, and today I'm going to show you how to properly apply LipSense Lip Color, which lasts up to 18 hours. This is the moisturizing glossy gloss, and this is going to help seal in those lip colors that we just put on. And this has shea butter that softens and protects your lips. Also, it has vitamin E, helps and repair the dry lips. This one you don't have to worry about going back or forth. You don't have to let it dry or anything. This is very hydrating for your lips. It's going to help it seal in the nice moisture, and it's going to help protect your lips. So we are going to finish. That's the last finishing touches for moisturizing.
As you can see, you can use a gloss after applying the different colors on your lips, which is amazing. Gets things moisturized and hydrated. Yes. Okay. All right. Well, we have a special offer for you. We have an anti-aging webinar that you can check out. Link will be in the description below, and we have a discount code called Beauty. And so if you do that, you can get 30% off. And that webinar is awesome because it shows you how to slow, stop, even reverse the visible signs of aging, like wrinkles and dark spots and age spots, by understanding what causes it, aka oxidative stress. But more on that in that webinar. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit a big old thumbs up button right there down below while you're down there, you know what I'm saying? And then hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Catch more video updates like this, and we'll catch you in the next video.